Hi, my name is Chanel Morgan. I would like to share with you briefly on the idea of developing a short training module, which I believe would be very beneficial to learners, especially those who are into podcasting and who would like to find an alternative way of designing or developing their own podcast cover art with excellent quality and yet not have to spend a lot because this particular application that the training module will show them how to use, it's free and it's built in within their computer system. Now, I know that there are other applications like PicMonkey, Photoshop, and Canvas to name a few. But in order for the user to gain access to other high-end features that they may want to use, then they will have to pay for it. Now, this particular application that is built in within the computer system that I would like to share with you about today in developing this training module is very easy to use, and it's called Paint or Paint 3D. I believe that developing a course using this particular application will give users the ability to create what they need within a very reasonable time frame. In designing this course, there are three objectives that should be met for the learner, where they'll be able to know the size that they would need to designing, evaluate their own design, and speak about their experience of using the application, and even saving in the correct format. Now, in designing this particular training module, the design model that I would have chosen would have been the ADDIE model because it's very simple to use, and especially if you're looking about developing a learning module within a quick time frame, then using the rapid resolution with this ADDIE model, it is very effective. However, I would just like to explain the design aspect of this model. In the design phase, it shows exactly how or what the learning module will look like on the learning management system. Now, I would have opted to use Talent because why Talent? Because Talent learning management system is very simple to use, not only for the instructor but also for the learner. The learner can simply go into it, they can click on the particular course that he or she is doing and follow along with the course content. As you can see, podcast cover art in Microsoft Paint. That's the course and that is what it's going to look like. The landing page is going to look like when the learner comes on and click on the course and enter into the course so that they'll be able to access the course content. Now, developing this storyboard is to give you an exact idea to see exactly what the course content will look like on the management system. And Talent is a very effective management system where the instructor can be able to develop a course within a very quick time frame because it has excellent built-in features, it has great themes that could be used, and all the instructor has to do is just customize it to suit. What is also great about it is that using this learner management system is that it gives you the option to upload videos, text, audios that the learner will be able to use that, so that the content will allow the user to accomplish the objective that have been set. So this is what is going to look like. This is like a prototype of what the actual course would look like on the learning management system. Another great thing about the learning management system is that it allows the feature for the instructor to set assessment. And the assessment is for the instructor to see how well the objective would have been met, how the learners would have been able to access the content, use the content, and be able to create their podcast cover art. So in the end, they will be able to set the correct size format and use the correct graphics to design for their intended audience and be able to save it within the correct format as well. So at the end of the time allotted, this is what the learner should be able to accomplish. And as you can see, that this course is just 20 minutes long. So using this learning management system to accomplish this learning outcome is a very, very great way of allowing the learner to be able to accomplish making this particular project and being able to have it at a quality level just as they would have used another podcast cover art application. So I want to say thank you for your time listening, and I trust that you will come on board and be a part and learn how to together we could design, develop, implement this training module so that it will be able to be used by learners who are looking for an alternative way of developing their podcast cover art and be able to have something that they'll be able to be pleased with what they have done. So I thank you and look forward to hearing your feedback. Should you have any questions or comments, please feel free to contact me so that together we could go through it and have a very effective communication as to how best this training module can be implemented. I thank you.